Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shante. In this video, I am going to share details about the Aivora that is also going to give you a next level platform with AI assistant, our Aivora. Yes, we are going to share each and everything about this exchange where you can easily get a licensed platform. Yes, this is also one of the top platform where people already join, and you can also get a complete information about Aivora exchange with the feature how we are going to start register. I am going to share each and everything. If you are new on the channel Shante, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos notification. You can now get on the stage on the stage of a next level exchange where you can get a complete information about welfare trading contest to our financial center. There you can also get register details about Aivora, that sport essentially basic feature on sport future, as there is AI copy. Yes, people are also going to joining it. There are also licensed platform. You can check Aivora is also licensed platform, and these are the license you can also get there near to some countries. License already have been released. You can start your future sport trading, or you can also do your KYC to register an account. You can also proceed how actually this is going to join. Aivora has established in 2024. And you can also check user-friendly cyberpunk with 95%, as people unlike coins are already spotted. There is AI assistant, but in other SNE this is not. So next, you can also check about the Aivora is ultimative AI trading assistant. Yes, you can also check about the announcements, as there are different 95 coins already listed. You can meet with the team that is available 24/7, and you can also get some basic information about that. Is your frequent last question. What is Aivora? How actually you're going to join? So basically, you can also invite your friends, meet that for link. This platform is working in a completely safe ecosystem. You can download the application now. And yes, you can also be one of tier pod. You want to apply for the voucher. Yes, Aivora is also going to giving you option. You can easily come to the Aivora. This is basically an exchange that is offering the voucher. You can easily get the benefit to direct application. There is no need to go high traders. So there are also Aivora USDT bonus voucher. You can also apply for that. There are also applying for, where you can select if you are one of them. You can also put your unique ID number. There you can also put the number of team member, and then you can also submit that. Yes, you can also participate. I will also show you how to use it and how actually we can also be a part of it. So next, you can also check some other information about how we will also download the application that is also available, and the rather information I am going to share in this video. So let's get it started with that. Now we will download the application, and I'll show you rest detail on it.
First, as we have downloaded the application, you can easily sign up and log in, and then you can also check my balance is now 0. As I have already told you about how to implement the voucher, apply for the voucher successfully. You can also start your voucher, and then you can also get here different 10 USD experience code. There you can also check another one. You can also understand the rules and regulation. If you are going to meet with the criteria, you can easily going to activate, and this is the voucher center basically. So and next, you can also come to the interface. Here is also transfer option future, as you can also check out for the future trading. That is very simple on the exchange. And now we are going to use the voucher currency, as we have to activate and we have to confirm. And there you can also use this voucher to get the experience on trading as for future. So basically, on this Aivora, you are going to start best experience. We have got 10 USDT voucher successfully, and you can easily get the process same as I have told you. Now you can check go to trade option, and we can refresh our interface. It takes some time, but it will be done successfully because we have now $10. And you can also check my balance has been shifted as from the voucher. We can also come to the interface in the future trading, and you can check my balance is also being shown here as $10. Plus, this is the future voucher. If you have any question or queries till now, you can ask in our comment box and you can check out the link in my video description. See you in next year. Till then, goodbye.